Have you ever told yourself, I'll start speaking English when I find a good teacher? Or maybe you think, if I lived in an English-speaking country, my English would improve automatically. What if I told you that neither of those things is necessary? The biggest difference between fluent English speakers and struggling learners is not talent, it's not money, and it's definitely not a classroom. It's what they do every single day. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how you can learn English completely on your own from home. You'll discover simple habits that improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence, without depending on a teacher or a speaking partner. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to become a confident English speaker. So let's begin. Part 1. Change the way you think about learning. Most people believe English is a school subject. That is the first mistake. English is not a subject. It is a skill. And every skill improves through practice. Think about riding a bicycle. You cannot become good just by reading a book about cycling. You must get on the bicycle. You may fall. You may lose balance. But every attempt makes you better. English works exactly the same way. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. So stop waiting for the perfect course. Stop waiting for the perfect teacher. Start using English today. Even if you know only a few words, because every fluent speaker once started exactly where you are today. Part 2. Turn your home into an English classroom. You don't need to travel abroad to surround yourself with English. You can build your own English environment at home. When you wake up in the morning, greet yourself in English. Say, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day. I will practice English today." These small habits train your brain to think directly in English. While making breakfast, describe what you're doing. I am making tea. I am cutting vegetables. The coffee smells good. Simple sentences repeated every day become natural. The goal isn't difficult English. The goal is daily English. Part 3. Learn English from everything around you. Many learners study English for only 20 minutes and then spend the rest of the day in their native language. That slows down progress. Instead, bring English into your daily routine. Watch videos in English, read short articles, listen to podcasts while walking, read product labels, read menus, read signs. Every English word you see is another opportunity to learn. Learning doesn't only happen while sitting at a desk. Learning happens throughout the day. Part 4. Improve speaking without anyone's help. One of the biggest excuses learners make is, "I have nobody to practice with." The truth is, your first speaking partner can be yourself. Stand in front of a mirror, smile, introduce yourself, talk about your day, describe your plans, ask yourself questions, then answer them in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Nobody is judging you. Another powerful method is recording your voice. Choose one topic. Speak for 1 minute. Listen to yourself. Notice your pronunciation. Notice your pauses. Every recording helps you improve. The more you hear yourself speaking English, the more confident you become. Part 5. Build vocabulary. Naturally forget memorizing hundreds of random words. Instead, learn vocabulary through situations. If you're cooking, learn cooking words. If you're shopping, learn shopping vocabulary. If you're traveling, learn travel expressions. Also, learn phrases instead of single words. For example, instead of learning the word help, Learn, can you help me? Instead of learning the word hungry, learn, I'm really hungry. Phrases make speaking much easier because they're ready to use. Part 6. Create small daily habits. You don't need to study for 4 hours every day. You only need consistency. Try this simple routine. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Read for 10 minutes. Speak for 10 minutes. Review vocabulary for 5 minutes. That's only 35 minutes a day. But after 1 year, you'll have practiced for hundreds of hours. Those small efforts create big results. Remember, fluency is built one day at a time. Final motivation. Before this video ends, I want you to remember one important thing. Don't compare yourself with other learners. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, every mistake you make is proof that you're improving. Progress may feel slow, but slow progress is still progress. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. One day, you'll realize that speaking English no longer feels difficult. It feels natural. And that day will arrive because you never gave up. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with other English learners, and subscribe to the channel for more practical English lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every single day.